Hello, my friend. Let me ask you something. Do your knees feel stiff when you wake up? Do your legs swell up by the evening? Are your joints aching more than they used to? If yes, you're not alone. This happens to many of us as we grow older. I understand it can be frustrating, even painful. But here's the good news. There are simple, natural ways to feel better. Today I'm going to share special fruits that help your body make collagen, a natural protein that keeps your joints strong and flexible. These fruits can help reduce swelling, ease pain, and keep your legs moving more freely. I'll also tell you about some common foods, yes, foods many of us eat every day, that may silently make joint pain and swelling worse. So please, sit back, get comfortable, maybe have a cup of tea, and let's go step by step. Why collagen matters. First, let's talk about collagen, what it is and why it's so important. Collagen is like the glue in your body, and it keeps your skin smooth, your joints cushioned, your bones strong, and your muscles working well. But here's the thing. After the age of 30, your body makes less and less collagen every year. By 50 or 60, the amount has dropped quite a bit. And when collagen goes down, the joints become stiff. You may feel more swelling in the legs, knees, or ankles. It becomes harder to walk, bend, or even stand for too long. That's where food comes in. Certain fruits help your body build more collagen naturally. And that can help reduce pain and swelling without medicine, just by eating better. So let's start with the first fruit. Fruit number 1, kiwi. Small but super powerful. Kiwi is small and fuzzy, but inside it's full of healing power. It's rich in vitamin C, and your body needs vitamin C to make collagen. Without it, your body just can't build collagen properly. Just one kiwi gives you more than enough vitamin C for the whole day. Kiwi also has antioxidants and enzymes that help with digestion and reduce swelling. Simple tip, add kiwi to your breakfast or cut it up into a fruit bowl. It's gentle on the stomach and great for morning joint stiffness. Fruit number 2, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Small fruits, big relief. Berries are little anti-inflammatory powerhouses. They help fight swelling and protect your joints. They're full of a special antioxidant called anthocyanins, which protect your body from damage and help it heal. They're also low in sugar and high in fiber, which helps keep your blood sugar stable, and that's very important for reducing inflammation. Fun fact, studies show that people who eat berries regularly have better joint health and mobility, especially as they age. Simple tip, add a handful of berries to your oatmeal or yogurt, or eat them plain as a sweet, healthy snack. Warning, foods that hurt your joints. Things we eat without realizing they cause damage. Now, before we go to the next healing fruit, we need to talk about something serious. There are some common foods many of us eat that actually make swelling and pain worse. Let's look at 2 of them. 1, processed meats, such as sausages, hot dogs, bacon, deli meats. These meats contain harmful chemicals called ADAs, advanced glycation end products. These damage collagen and increase inflammation in the body. 2, white sugar and sweets. Sugar causes spikes in your blood sugar, which can trigger inflammation. And sugar also breaks down collagen through a process called glycation. This makes your tissues stiff and painful. Better choices. Snack on fresh fruits like berries or nuts. If you need protein, try boiled eggs or grilled chicken instead of processed meats. Your joints will feel the difference. Fruit number 3. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Bright, juicy, and joint-loving. Citrus fruits are some of the best foods for building collagen. They're full of vitamin C and bioflavonoids. Both support your body in healing and rebuilding joint tissue. Grapefruit in particular has a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called naringenin. It helps fight swelling and protects your joints from wear and tear. Simple tip, start your morning with warm lemon water. Add slices of orange to your lunch. Or enjoy a grapefruit in the afternoon. It's refreshing and great for your knees and ankles. So my friend, today we talked about 3 powerful fruits. Kiwi, berries, citrus fruits. And we also looked at 2 common food enemies. Processed meats, refined sugar. These small changes in your daily food choices can make a big difference in how your legs and joints feel. But we're not done yet. There are 4 more collagen-rich fruits that I can't wait to tell you about. One of them is a fruit most people forget, but it's amazing for joint strength and reducing swelling. So stay with me. I'll see you in part 2 of this video, where we continue your journey to stronger joints and a healthier, more active life. On-screen text. Coming up, more healing fruits for your legs and joints. Don't miss it. And take care of yourself. You deserve to feel good, to move freely, and to enjoy every step. Fruit number 4, pineapple. Sweet, tropical, and pain-fighting. If you've ever had a sore back or stiff knees, pineapple might just be your new best friend. Why? Because pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme helps reduce swelling, break down inflammation, and even ease pain in your joints. Bromelain has been studied for years, and it's especially helpful for people with osteoarthritis or knee pain. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, which helps the body build more collagen, so it fights swelling and supports joint repair. Simple tip: eat a few chunks of fresh pineapple after lunch, or blend it into a smoothie with ginger. It tastes great and helps your knees feel lighter. Bonus: add a pinch of turmeric with pineapple for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Fruit number 5, mango. Nature's creamy collagen booster. Mango is more than just a delicious summer fruit. It's packed with vitamin A, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, nutrients that work together to boost collagen, support skin elasticity, and keep joints moving smoothly. Mango also contains enzymes that help with digestion. And better digestion, it will better nutrient absorption, which means your body gets more healing from every bite. Simple tip: have half a mango as an afternoon snack or dice it up into a fruit salad. Just avoid overripe, very sweet mangoes if you're watching your sugar. Hidden enemy number 3, vegetable oils. Some cooking oils do more harm than good. Many people cook with oils like canola, soybean, or corn oil thinking they're healthy. But here's the truth: these oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause inflammation in the body when not balanced with omega-3s. Over time, this leads to joint stiffness, swelling, and even cartilage damage. Better option: use extra virgin olive oil or cold-pressed coconut oil. These are anti-inflammatory and support joint health. Fruit number 6, tart cherries. Not just tasty medicinal. Tart cherries, also called sour cherries or Montmorency cherries, are a game changer for joint health. They contain powerful compounds called anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and improve muscle recovery. Studies have shown that tart cherry juice can help with joint pain, muscle soreness, arthritis symptoms, sleep quality, and better sleep equal faster healing. Simple tip: drink a small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice before bed, or add dried tart cherries to oatmeal. Just choose ones without added sugar. Fruit number 7, papaya. Soothing, healing, and easy to digest. Papaya is another fruit full of vitamin C, but it also has something special, an enzyme called papain. Papain helps break down proteins and reduce inflammation. It supports your immune system and helps your body digest food better. Important, because poor digestion can slow healing. Papaya is also very gentle on the stomach, making it perfect for older adults who may struggle with heavy meals. Simple tip: enjoy a bowl of fresh papaya in the morning or after dinner. Add a squeeze of lime for extra flavor and vitamin C. Fruit number 8, and some grapes, especially red and black grapes. Small, juicy, and powerful. Red and black grapes are full of a compound called resveratrol, a natural antioxidant that's great for your heart and your joints. Resveratrol helps reduce joint stiffness, supports blood flow, and protects cartilage from breaking down. Grapes also contain collagen-supporting nutrients and are easy to snack on. Simple tip: eat a handful of grapes as a mid-morning or evening snack. They're sweet, hydrating, and healing. Fun note: some people get resveratrol from red wine, but eating grapes gives you the same benefits, without the alcohol. Hidden enemy number 4, white flour and refined carbs. It's not just sugar. White bread, cookies, pasta, biscuits, all of these are made from refined flour, which turns into sugar in the body, and sugar, as we've learned, destroys collagen and increases inflammation. These foods offer almost no nutrition but cause a lot of swelling, especially in the legs and feet. Better option: switch to whole grains like oats, quinoa, or brown rice. These support your joints and keep your blood sugar steady. Host returns gentle closing words. So let's recap. Collagen-rich fruits for joint health: kiwi, berries, citrus fruits, pineapple, mango, tart cherries, papaya, grapes. Silent enemies to watch out for: processed meats, refined sugar, vegetable oils, white flour, and refined carbs. Small, simple food choices like these can truly change the way your legs and joints feel, day by day, step by step. You don't need fancy pills, you just need the right foods in the right way. In the final part of this video, we'll go over how to combine these fruits into easy meals, plus a sample one-day anti-swelling menu made just for older adults. You'll also learn a few extra lifestyle tips, like the best time to eat fruit for healing and small habits to boost your results. So don't go anywhere. Coming up next, sample menu plus daily tips for stronger legs and pain-free joints. Take care, my friend. You're doing something wonderful for your body just by being here. A full one-day sample menu using the fruits we talked about. Simple daily habits for better joint health. A few extra lifestyle tips to speed up healing and reduce swelling naturally. Now that you know which fruits heal your joints and which foods quietly hurt them, let's bring it all together. Today I'll walk you through a simple one-day plan, what to eat and when, using collagen-rich fruits and anti-inflammatory foods. This isn't a strict diet. It's a gentle guide, easy for older adults to follow, delicious, and full of healing goodness. Your one-day anti-swelling collagen-boosting menu. Morning, wake-up ritual. Warm lemon water. 1/2 lemon in warm water. Hydrates the body, boosts digestion, gently cleanses joints. Optional, add a pinch of turmeric or a slice of ginger to reduce morning stiffness. Breakfast light but powerful. Oatmeal topped with sliced kiwi, a few berries, blueberries, strawberries, chia seeds or flax seeds for omega-3 and fiber. Side, 1 boiled egg or a spoon of nut butter, almond or peanut. Drink, green tea or ginger tea. Why it works. This combo reduces swelling, provides energy, supports collagen, and is kind to your blood sugar. Mid-morning snack, optional. A small bowl of fresh papaya with a squeeze of lime, a few unsalted nuts, walnuts or almonds. Lunch, balanced and satisfying. Grilled protein, chicken breast, fish or lentils. Cooked vegetables, broccoli, spinach, carrots. 1 tablespoon olive oil over salad or veggies. 1 small bowl of brown rice or quinoa. Side fruit, a few grapes or slices of mango. Why it works? You're giving your joints anti-inflammatory fats, steady carbs, and proteins that work with collagen to rebuild tissue. Afternoon snack. Tart cherry juice, unsweetened, about 1/2 cup. A rice cake or a handful of berries. Tart cherries ease swelling in the knees and improve sleep quality when taken later in the day. Dinner, light and healing. Vegetable soup with turmeric, garlic, and ginger. Side of sautéed greens like kale or spinach. A few chunks of pineapple for dessert. Optional, a piece of whole grain toast or a roti. Why it works? Dinner is light to help your body digest and recover overnight. Pineapple's bromelain works best in the evening to calm inflammation. Before bed, optional. Warm herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint. A few slices of kiwi or a couple of tart cherries. These fruits naturally boost melatonin and support deeper sleep, which is when your joints repair the most. Daily habits for better. Joint health, simple and effective. Let's be honest, what we eat is powerful, but a few daily habits can make the healing even faster. 1. Stay lightly active every day. You don't need a gym or fancy routine, just move or walk for 15 to 20 minutes after meals. Do gentle stretches in the morning. Try chair yoga or water exercises. Movement increases blood flow to your joints and collagen travels with blood. So better circulation equals better healing. 2. Drink enough water. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day. Your joints are like sponges. If there's no water, they get stiff and dry. But with hydration, they stay cushioned and pain-free. Tip. Add mint or lemon slices to make water more enjoyable. 3. Avoid long sitting. If you sit for hours, your joints stiffen. Every 30-45 minutes, stand up, stretch your arms, rotate your ankles, or walk around for 2-3 minutes. This keeps your lymph moving, and that helps reduce swelling in your legs and feet. 4. Sleep is medicine. Sleep is when your body builds collagen and repairs joints. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid heavy meals late at night. And remember, tart cherry or kiwi can help you sleep naturally. Final words, you're in control. So many older adults feel helpless when it comes to joint pain and leg swelling. But you don't have to suffer. With the right foods, simple movement, and daily habits, you can start feeling stronger, lighter, and more in control again. Start small. Even adding just 1 fruit a day from this list can help your body heal. You deserve to wake up without stiffness, to walk without pain, to enjoy life with energy and ease. And it all starts in your kitchen. Host smiling gently. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a loved one. Your small action might help someone else walk with less pain tomorrow. Tell me in the comments, which fruit are you going to try first? Or do you already eat one of these and feel a difference? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on natural healing, senior wellness, and simple steps for a better life. Goodbye swelling, hello relief, 1 fruit at a time.